Excellent. Good. And now let's throw some front kicks to his face. Excellent. And reset. Good. And now let's work on our focus kick or our front kick. Good. Miss Addie, can you have a seat for me?
Yes, sir.
Good. So we always start all of our kicks from the ground because this is the most effective way to learn the kick without having to deal with wobbling or bouncing. So she's going to start with her legs straight out and her hands up by her face. If she doesn't struggle with balance, if she does struggle with balance, put them down behind her body. Good. So this is like the neutral position. When I say 1, she's going to bring one leg back as strong as she can by her chest. 1.
1, sir.
Good. 2. She's going to extend her leg out in front of her. Good. And notice how she's hitting with this part of her foot. She's not hitting with her toes. She doesn't want to point her toes. She wants to point the ball of her foot or the bottom. 3, bring it back. And 4, put it down. Very good. Let's do it with the other leg. Ready? 1.
1, sir.
2.
2, sir.
3.
3, sir.
4.
4, sir.
One more on the opposite leg. Ready? 1.
1, sir.
2.
2, sir.
3.
3, sir.
4. And now the other leg. Ready? 1.
1, sir.
2.
2, sir.
3.
3, sir.
4. Good. Go ahead and stand, Miss Addie.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now we're going to do the same steps that we just did, but from a standing neutral position. If you struggle with balance or something, get yourself a kitchen chair so that you can put your hand on it and turn your body sideways so you're balancing. You don't want to be leaning against it. Very good. So she's going to have her hands by her face. That's a nice strong guard. Good. She's going to bring that knee up. 1.
1, sir.
2.
2, sir.
3.
3, sir.
And 4. Notice how she's still pointing the ball of that foot. She's not pointing her toes. You got to really think about that's the correct front kick position. Ready? Opposite leg. 1.
1, sir.
2.
2, sir.
3.
3, sir.
4.
4, sir.
Good. Opposite. Ready? 1.
1, sir.
2.
2, sir.
3.
3, sir.
4.
4, sir.
Good. And think of the front kick more as a punch rather than like a swing. We don't want to swing our foot up. We want to push our foot forward. Ready? 1.
1, sir.
2.
2, sir.
3.
3, sir.
4.
4, sir.
Good. Get into your best stance, Miss Addie. Excellent. So her back foot is going to be kicking what foot?
Back foot, sir.
Good. And now I'm going to do 1 time with the counting, but then we're going to do a few times without count. So ready? 1.
1, sir.
2.
2, sir.
3.
3, sir.
4. Notice how she put it right back to its starting spot. She didn't fall forward with it. You don't want to fall forward because that's not good body control. Ready? I'm going to key up, do some strong front kicks with Miss Addie. Hey!
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 And jump switch those feet.
Hey!
Ready? Let's do 1 by the count. 1.
1, sir.
2.
2, sir.
3.
3, sir.
4.
4, sir.
Good. And some strong kicks with Miss Addie. Follow along with my yell. Ready? Hey!
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 Excellent. And ready, stance. All right, that is our basic set 1. The low block, the center punch, and the front kick. All right, everybody, let's work on our strong techniques on a target. Good. Left leg forward fighting stance.
Hey!
Good. So she's going to throw that front kick. Again, it's most effective down, like if you drew a middle line down the nose or down your nose all the way down, that's where the front kick is the most effective. Down the middle of the body. So let's throw some body shot front kicks first. Hey!
Hey!
Excellent. Hey!
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 Good. And now let's throw some front kicks to his face. Hey!
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 Excellent. And reset.